Hey guys, it's Ethan. Just showing you a new find. This isn't mine. It's my brother's. He found it, but it's a Champion 20-inch cut lawnmower, push mower, with a 3.5 horsepower Briggs Classic. Yeah, I think it's a 1992. We got it down the street. It's supposed to be $5, like it says on the tag there, and he just put it out on the road for free after the garage sale was over, so we took it. There's another one down there still, but we don't want it. It's all a piece of rusted up junk, but we wanted to show you that this ran, so another new find. So that's it running. It does have a bit of a fuel leak because I filled it up too full with fuel. But yeah, it has a manual start system, which you have to pull that up or else it won't start. It's really hard to pull. It's like a magnetic brake type of thing. We didn't mow our front yard, but we mowed our backyard kind of brush cutting with it, and it ran pretty well. You have to really go slow with it. But it even has a throttle control, which is kind of neat. But see you guys later.